Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about the extend method in Python programming. So, the extend method is used to add each element of another list into the current list. So it doesn't behave like append method. Instead of adding the whole list as a one item, it adds the elements one by one. So let's do it. I define a variable like list1, and in my list I open square brackets and then 1, 2, 3, and then I define my second variable list2 is equal to, I open square brackets and then 4, 5, 6. So if I use append method, let's do it here, list1 and append list2. If I do this like that, if I use append method, I print list1, what you will see on the screen? You see this element is added as a whole, as a single element. But what I want each element of another list into the current list, not just like a single item. So for doing this, I use extend method, list1 and extend. So I run it, you see. The correct method for doing this is extend. If you want to merge two lists, you can use extend method. Super. See you in the next lesson.